Well, hello and welcome back. It is day 13, pattern number 13, and I got a really pretty one for you today. I actually have some new yarns that I got for my birthday too, just a few colors. My daughter went and got them for me. And this one is going to use some front post double crochet, some back post double crochet, and some regular double crochet. And this is the front. It's nicely textured. That's what the back looks like, which again still looks kind of cool. That's using worsted weight yarn. This is with a DK. And I made some adjustments to the pattern because I didn't like how it pulled so much. And I love these colors together, but I don't have them in the worsted, so I'm going to have to work on that. But yeah, I didn't like how much it curved in. I want it to be more square without having to stretch it to death. Anyhow, we are going to get started. You're going to start with your darkest color. Well, you can start with any color you want, but I'm going to start with my darkest color. So you start with a slip knot. And you chain 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch to the first chain to make a circle. Oh my goodness. And then we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 3. Anytime we do that in this, that's what it'll be. A double crochet and a chain 3. So then we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3, and do 3 more double crochets. Trying to go over top of my tail so I don't have to work it in. And chain 3, and do 3 more double crochets. Chain 3, and do 2 double crochets. 1 and 2, and you're going to work this into, slip stitch into 1, 2, 3, the third chain, and you're going to fasten off because we're going to do a color change, and that is how you should look at the moment. Okay, with your next color, and I'm going with my lightest color, you're going to join in any corner other than the one that you left off, that you ended with. So I'm going to start here. We're going to join and chain 3, and do 2 double crochets in that corner space. It's 1 and 2. So now we want to do 3 front post triple crochets. So you will yarn over twice, come around the post, pull your yarn through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over twice, go around the post, pull your yarn through, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over twice, go around the post, pull it through, go through 2, 2, and 2. And then we're going to make 3 double crochets into our corner chain space. It's 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to chain 3 and do 3 more in our corner chain space. That's 1, 2, and 3. So now we're back to doing front post triples. So wrap around twice, go under and around the post, pull through 2, pull through 2, and 2. Yarn over twice, okay, and the corner gets 3 doubles. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So then it's back to the front post triples. So that's your pattern repeat for this round. Starting in a corner over here, you had 3 doubles, 3 front post triples, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. 3 front post triples, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. So you work that all the way around till you get to this corner, and then I will show you what to do next. All right, so I'm back at my starting corner, and I'm going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to chain 3 and slip stitch to the top of that chain space, or chain 3 that we started with, and fasten off because we're changing colors again. Okay, so that is how you should look so far. All right, so now I am on my medium color, and we're going to start in a corner that is not the same corner that we ended with. So I'm going to come over here, and we are going to fasten on and chain 6. And do 3 double crochets in this corner space. It's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to do 3 back post triple crochets. So yarn over twice, come from behind around the post, pull your yarn through, and then go through 2, 2, and 2. So it's yarn over twice, go through the back, pull your yarn through, pull through 2, 2, and 2. Yarn over twice, come through the back. I kind of use my thumb as a tool to make it easier. Okay, so it should look like that. Now we're going to come back to doing the front post triples. So yarn over twice, come around the post, pull through 2, 2, and 2. Yarn over twice, Go around the front of the post, 2 and 2. Around the front of the post again. Okay, so we had 3 doubles in the corner, 3 back post triples, 3 front post triples. Now we're going to 3 back post triples. That's 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. Do 3 more double crochets in that corner space. It's 1, 2, and 3. And now we're back post. 3 back post triples. Go from behind. Get this string out of my way. Okay, another back post triple. So yarn over twice, come from behind, pull through 2, 2, and 2. Yarn over twice, go from behind, 2, 2, and 2. Now it's 3 front post triples. 2, 2, and 2. Three back post. I'm struggling here. Okay, and then 3 regular double crochets in the corner. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, and do 3 doubles. And then you're back to the back post. 3 back posts, 3 front posts, 3 back posts, and your corner space. So you just repeat that pattern all the way around, and I will meet you when we get to this side. Alright, so we're back to our corner space, and on this one we only need to make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2, and slip stitch to the third. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. To the third chain, and fasten off because we're changing colors again. Okay, let's give it a little stretcheroo. Okay, so that's how you should be looking so far. I just love the texture on these. And the blues just are really attractive blues. I hope they're showing up well on camera here. So now we're back to our first color, our center color, which is medium blue. I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so now we're going to start in a different corner. So we're going to start here I like the starting in different corners because then you don't see that set pattern of chain stitches and all that to make the pattern, you know, make your square look funny. So we're going to fasten on in the corner. And we're going to chain 3. And that counts as a double crochet. And we're going to do 2 more double crochets into the corner space. It's 1 and 2. And now we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 15 stitches. So make sure if this one is hidden on you that you pull back your, you know, your stitches here so that you don't miss it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so I got my 15 doubles. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the corner space. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then you should have 15 singles, and when you get to this corner it's 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles, 15 doubles, not singles, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles, and then 15, and when you get over to the end you'll do 3 more double crochets. So I will meet you when you're finished working your way around. Well, you guys are really fast. You beat me to the corner. All right, so in that corner space, you do 3 doubles, chain 3, slip stitch to the top here of your starting chain 3, and fasten off. And it's looking pretty wonky right now, right? So let's just give it that little stretch that it takes to straighten it out. I'm just pulling up on the front post and the back posts. Okay. So that looks a lot straighter, smoother on the sides, next to each other. Aren't they pretty? I love this pattern. So nice. So, what are you going to do with all your granny squares you've been making? I would be super curious to find out. I have an idea for these, and one other one that I really like that I have an idea for. So, if you want to find out what those ideas are, you'll have to keep coming back. And for another really great crochet project, if you click on this link right here, it'll take you there in a jiffy. Thanks so much for watching.